Hello, I'm going to show you how to download, open, fill out, and submit the payment agreement form for a Child Care Operations grant. I'm using the Chrome browser on a Windows 10 PC, so your screens may look slightly different if you are using a different browser or Mac. Step 1 is to save the form to your computer. You'll find the form on jobs.utah.gov in the Child Care area of the COVID-19 page. Scroll to the bottom and click on the Payment Agreements form. The form will open within your browser window. Don't make the mistake of filling out the form from within the browser. Instead, you must save the form to your computer and open it using the free Adobe Acrobat Reader or the paid version called Acrobat Pro. The easiest way to do this is to right-click anywhere on the form and select Save As. Save it somewhere on your computer where it can be easily found again. Now, to keep from getting confused, I will close the browser version of the form. Step 2 is to open the agreement using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Navigate to where you saved the form and open it. If you do not have Acrobat Reader installed, the form may open again in a web browser. If that's the case, you will need to install Adobe's free Acrobat Reader and then try opening the form again. As you can see, the payment agreement form opened in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, which is simply the paid version of Acrobat Reader that I have installed on my computer. Your screen should look very similar. Step 3 is to fill out the entire form. Not including all the required information will keep your application from being processed until all information is provided. To sign the form, simply type in your name and enter the date. Don't forget to save your work. Let's close the form. Step 4 is to send this agreement to the Office of Child Care. Open your email program, create a new email, and attach the payment agreement form along with any required tuition documentation. I'm using Gmail, but attaching documents to any email is similar in most programs. Look for the little paperclip icon or some sort of attachments link. Then, click on the files you want to attach. Send the email to the Office of Child Care at occ@utah.gov.